Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about what I learned from the RAR training on mouse tail vein injections and the techniques that I found to be most helpful. First, place the restrainer on top of a cage lid that's weighted or taped down as shown. This allows you to have better hand position and get a better grip and angle on the tail. Second, place the lamp directly over the cage as shown for 5 to 10 minutes. The mice will start to hide when they get too hot, and that's an indicator that they're ready to be used as well. Third, while the mice are warming up, you can prepare your syringe. Make sure to line the bevel up with the 2 tabs on the syringe. Fourth, once the mouse has been warmed up enough, place the mouse in the vise and apply a tourniquet with your thumb and index finger on the left and right sides of the tail for about 20 seconds. This will pump up the blood vessel, making it more visible and accessible. Don't forget to wipe down the tail with an alcohol pad. It helps make the vein more visible and lowers the hair down onto the tail. Fifth, hold the syringe between your index and middle fingers and stabilize it with your thumb by pressing the tab in line with the bevel between your thumb and index finger. Fifth, bend the tail over your index finger and inject directly in lines or parallel with the vein, just above the bend. This prevents going too deep because the needle should not be angled down with respect to the tail. Sixth, draw back to confirm vein access with your ring finger. This will ensure that you are in the vein every time, something that's difficult to confirm visually. Lastly, push the plunger in by moving your thumb down and pressing or using your ring finger. It should push in very smoothly with low force.